In this video, you'll learn how to find background information. There are several places to start looking for background information, and you can access all of them through the library's webpage. We'll look at Credo Reference, Britannica Academic, CQ Researcher, and opposing viewpoints. You may need to use more than one of these resources in order to find the information you need. You can access all of them from the Databases tab on the library's website. They're listed individually and on the Quick Reference Resources page. To get there, go to the Databases by Subject box at the left-hand side of the Databases page. Scroll down the page until you see the Quick Reference Resources link. Click it and you'll open a new page which lists all of the resources covered in this video. The Credo Reference database is a good place to start. You can search by keyword or explore topic pages. Your search results can include topic pages, a mind map, and articles from reference works. Use the subject list at the left-hand side of the screen to limit your results to specific subject areas. Credo's mind map feature is great for brainstorming. It shows links between your keyword or topic and other related words and concepts. Britannica Academic is another excellent source for background information. Each article includes links to media, related pages, and reliable web pages. The CQ Researcher database focuses on current hot topics. You can search for keywords or browse topic areas. Each CQ report includes an overview, a timeline, references, and more. The Gale in Context Opposing Viewpoints database is similar to CQ Researcher. Both resources cover current affairs and hot topics. Click on Browse Issues to see a list of topics. These are listed in alphabetical order with tags to show new and recently updated issues. This makes it easy to find up-to-date information on specific topics. You can also scroll down the Opposing Viewpoints home screen to see issues grouped by broad subject areas. Each issue begins with 1 or 2 paragraphs of an overview article. Click the Read More button to read the entire overview. Below the overview, you'll see a section called On This Page. It contains links to other related resources, including reference works, statistics, and academic journals, plus audio, video, and images. Each item listed in this section has a date, word count, resource type, reading level value, and an icon that tells you whether it's basic, intermediate, or advanced material. You could search the internet for background information, but you'll save time by using our library's databases. They're trustworthy, and they'll start your research in the express lane. If you need help or have any questions, ask a library staff member.